Hmm. Hello everyone. So welcome to our podcast, and thank you so much for spending your time with us today. So I'm Rifai as your host for this episode, and today uh, we're going to talk about something that very exciting, inspiring, and honestly something that many students dream about uh, dreams about, but are sometimes afraid to case. And we're going to discuss overseas programs, opportunities to work and study and learn, also experience life in another country. And this topic is very important because uh, nowadays the world is becoming more connected, and students from Indonesia have more opportunities than ever before to go international. And uh, this is Azam and Kai, and so this time is for Azam. So Azam.
Okay, hello everyone, and I am Azam. As always, I am here to make sure our discussion stay fun, relaxed, and not too serious. Because if it becomes too formal, I might fall asleep before the listeners do. But honestly, I am really excited about today topic to when we heard the word overseas program, many of us immediately imagine beautiful campus, advanced technology, snow, snow trains in Japan, or maybe studying in a modern classroom somewhere in Europa. But actually, there's there there is much more behind it than just traveling or taking photos for Instagram.
Yes, exactly. And today's episode uh, will not only talk about dreams, but also about preparation challenges, mindset, and how students like us can actually achieve these goals step by step. And we also invite someone special today who has a lot of thoughts and dreams about studying abroad.
Yes, everyone, please welcome our guest today is Mas Kai.
Yes.
Okay, hello everyone. Thank you so much for inviting me uh, here today. Honestly, I'm really happy and honored to join in this podcast because this topic is something I'm personally passionate about it. I think almost every student has imagined themselves to start studying or working abroad at least once in their life. Sometimes we think it's impossible because we come from a small town or an vocational high school, but actually there are many opportunities if we are willing to prepare ourselves seriously. Okay.
That's true. Many students think overseas programs are only for rich students or for genius students, but actually there are scholarship, exchange programs, competition, internship, and many other ways to go abroad. And sometimes what stops us is not our ability but our fear.
Okay, and hopefully after listening to this podcast, our listeners can feel more motivated and more confidence to dream bigger. Because who knows, maybe one of our listeners today will become an engineer in Germany, a programmer in
Cuman,
Japan, or even a startup founder in Singapore in someday. Okay. Okay, before we go too far, let's start from the basic first because maybe some listeners are still confused what exactly is an overseas program. Is it just another cool name for vacation? Okay, Mas Kai, you can.
Yes, not exactly. An overseas program is any educational or professional activity that allows students to go to another country for learning experience. It can be a student exchange program where students study in another school or university for several months. It can also be a short course program, internship, or volunteering activities, and then cultural exchange programs, research collaboration, or even international competition. Yes, I think that is the overseas
uh,
program.
and for vocational students like us in SMK, overseas programs can also mean industrial internship in foreign companies. Imagine working directly in a technology company in Japan, South Korea, or Singapore. That experience would not only improve our technical skills but also teach us discipline, communication, teamwork, and professionalism.
Honestly, that sounds really cool. Imagine waking up in another country, taking a train to school or work, meeting people from different culture, and learning things that maybe we cannot easily experience here. It sounds but exciting, exciting and scary at the same time. The same time. Maybe I think.
Okay, that's exactly, and that's why overseas program are valuable. It's not just about education. It's also about personal growth. When you live, live in another country, you learn how to survive independently, uh, and you learn how to manage money and then communicate with strangers in another countries, adapt to new environment and solve problem on your own. Okay.
And in today's global era, having international experience can become a health advantage. Companies not want people who can communicate international, adapt quickly, and work with multicultural teams, especially in fields like IT, engineering, business, and design.
Okay, so basically overseas program are not only about studying abroad, but also about building ourselves into more capable and open mind peoples. Maybe I think.
Yeah, exactly. It changes the way you think about the world.
Now let's talk about something more personal. Dreams. Everyone has different dreams and different destination. Uh, if I heard you have been preparing some document recently. Are you planning something? And this maybe I think to masih baik.
Hahaha. Maybe honestly, one of my biggest dreams is to continue my studies at UTM or University Technology Malaysia, and I'm really interested in software engineering because technology is growing very fast, and I want to become someone who can uh, build useful digital products in the future. What makes CTM interesting for me is not only the quality of education, but also the international environment there.
Okay, that's actually really inspiring. Malaysia is a great place for international students because it's modern and multicultural and still relatively close to Indonesia. So, what motivates you the most to study there, Rifai?
Uh, I think the biggest reason is growth. I want to challenge myself. I want to challenge myself. Sometimes, if we stay in the same environment forever, we become too comfortable by studying abroad. I believe I can become more disciplined, more independent, and more confident. I also want to improve my English because in technology, most resources and opportunities are global.
That's deep, bro. Meanwhile, for me, I really want to go to Germany someday, but not because I want to become a philosopher or anything like that. I love machine, engine, and automotive technology. Germany is famous for engineering and innovation. Brands like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Porsche come from there. I want to learn how they create high-performance machine with such precision.
Okay, that actually fits your personality perfectly. Azam.
Exactly. Imagine if one day I can combine Indonesian creativity with German engineering knowledge. Maybe I can build my own automotive workshop or even design custom motorcycle with international standards. Maybe I can.
And Kai, what about you? I know you're interested in Japan.
Yes, because Japan has always fascinated me. I admire their disciplined technology and then cleanliness and work ethic. I'm especially interested in robotics and automation. Japan is one of the most advanced countries in those fields. I want to experience how they work, how they study, and how they innovate.
But is not Japan known for having a very intense work culture?
Yeah, it is, and honestly, that's also one of the reasons I'm interested. I want to learn discipline and responsibility. Of course, balance is important too, but I think there is a lot we can learn from their mindset.
And I think that's the beautiful thing about dreams. Everyone has different motivations. Some people want academic growth, some want technology, some want culture, and some want opportunities. Now let's talk about the benefit more deeply. What do students actually gain from overseas programs besides photos and memories?
Okay, one of the biggest benefits is communication skills, especially English. When you are abroad, you are forced to communicate uh, every day. And first, it might feel awkward or embarrassing, but slowly you improve naturally.
And confidence too. I think when someone survive living in another country alone, they become mentally stronger.
Definitely, you learn problem solving every day. Maybe you get lost. Maybe you misunderstand people. Maybe you miss your family. But through to situation, you grow.
Okay, another huge benefit is networking. You meet people from different country, different background, and different ways of thinking. This connection can become very valuable in the future.
And don't forget career opportunities, international experience on your CV and make you stand out when applying for jobs.
Yes, because it shows that you are adaptable and willing to challenge yourself.
Okay, Now, let's be realistic for a moment. Overseas programs sound amazing, but they also have challenges.
Okay, definitely. One of the biggest challenges is homesickness. Being away from family and friends for months can feel so lonely. That's the biggest challenges.
And culture shock too. Sometimes small things like food, water, communication style, or daily habits can feel very different.
I'm not going to lie. My biggest fear is food. Imagine me searching for nasi padang in the middle of Europa.
That's why learning basic cooking skill is important.
And of course, finance can also become a challenge. Tickets, accommodation, transportation, and daily expenses are not cheap.
But thankfully, there are scholarship, grants, and the exchange program that can help a student find financially. That's why research is very important.
And honestly, every challenge teach us something valuable.
Yeah, and before we end today's episode, let's give some advice for students listening right now.
Okay, my advice is simple. Uh, Start preparing early. Don't wait until your graduation. Improve your English, join competition, build your portfolio, and search for opportunities from now.
My advice is don't underestimate yourself. Many students think they are not good enough, but actually effort and consistently matter more than like talent.
And my final advice is dream big, even if your environment tells you otherwise. Your background does not define your future. Future. A student from a local SMK can still study abroad, work internationally, and achieve incredible things.
Exactly, opportunities are everywhere if we are brave enough to catch them.
And remember, growth always starts outside for of our comfort zone.
Thank you so much, Sky, for joining us today. This conversation was really inspiring.
Okay, thank you too. I had a great time here.
And thank you to everyone listening to this podcast. We hope this episode can motivate you keep learning, improving, and believing in your dreams.
And let's I say, maybe don't let your dreams stay only as dreams, but start preparing today. And
I
see
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 you
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 in
in
the
in
the
the
next
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 episode.
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 Bye bye.
Bye.